careful in there. I don't think he can fit back there, Invictus. Honey? No, he can't climb like that, honey. One step at a time. Well, first he's got to learn how to walk. And after he learns how to walk, he's got to learn how to run. And once he learns those things, maybe we'll work on climbing. I see that you're walking on the wall. Well, he needs to learn how to walk on the floor first. I think he's stuck. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I just saw you. Gosh. God. Yeah. Yeah, you're standing on the wall. You defy gravity.
Because I won't fall.
Well, you might fall. You got to be careful so you don't, though. Okay?
Well, I've been careful.
I know, and I'm very proud of you for being careful. What are you doing, son?
Oh, he's trying to get me.
I think he's trying to play peekaboo. Yeah.
He can't see me.
See, watch. Peekaboo! My goodness.
Hey, get back on the wall.
Yeah, that was good exercise.
Ow!
Ow! Remember, you're supposed to be careful. No owls allowed. No owls allowed. Allowed. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! You're going to show Logan that trick?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
Because I can do climb on any wall.
Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Mikhail, are we playing peekaboo? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Where'd she go? What happened? Chasing her girlfriend. Not even a year old. And and already obsessed with the opposite sex. Mikhail, did you get distracted? I really don't want you... Ah!